Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your advertising ID to remove personalized ads that have been saved of you on your Android-based smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel phone or another Android phone. In today's tutorial, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. And then you want to scroll down and select the security and privacy tile. And then scroll down again underneath privacy and you want to select privacy controls. And then you want to select the ads button, manage device data used to show you ads. And then select the delete advertising ID. Apps can no longer use this advertising ID to show you personalized ads. Go ahead and select that. So you can read a little bit more about this here. And you have to note that the ID will be deleted, but apps may still have their own settings, which can also affect the types of ads you see. You can always get a new advertising ID later. Just select that delete advertising ID button right there, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.